We learned for loop which runs a definite number of times. Why definite number of times? Because we provide it a list or a sequence element which has a fixed number of elements when we start processing it in a for loop. So it's going to continue until all the elements are processed in that sequence or a list. While loop is a loop which executes for indefinite iterations. Now, what do I mean by that? It means it's a loop that repeats an unknown number of times and ends when some condition is met. So, this is what the while loop is. The syntax of the while loop is while keyword, condition that we want to be present, then the colon and the while body which is indented inside a while heading. This condition that we put will be the condition which will be evaluated at every iteration, and if the condition is true it will continue inside the while body, otherwise it will go and skip the while body and go continue processing further. So let's see example of a while loop. Let's say we want user to enter numbers and take the sum of those numbers and continue asking user to enter some random numbers till the sum of those numbers is less than 100, and we want to stop as soon as it becomes 100 or greater than 100. So let's create an empty list. Let's say numbers equal to an empty list. Then we are going to write a while loop sum of numbers is less than 100. We want user to enter a number equal to input, enter a number, then we are going to append this number into numbers list. Numbers dot append. Now let's make it integer number. Print numbers. So here you can see that I have added a new function, sum. So sum is a built-in function in Python which takes a list of numbers as an argument and gives us the sum of all those numbers as an output. So let's execute this program now. Python while example.py. So now it's asking us to enter a number. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we don't know how many times this is going to continue. Now see, as soon as I entered 87, so total sum became more than 100 and hence it stopped there. Let's execute the program again. So Python, I type 100, it ends here. Let's execute again. Let's say 21, 45, 1, 4, 67. It ends here. So now here it depends on the number that the user has entered, and depending on that, if the sum is greater than or equal to 100, it's going to stop. Otherwise it will keep on asking user to enter a number. So this is how we use a while loop whenever we are not sure that how many times the iteration to continue. We use a while loop.